Morning, dear students. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about dividing decimals. Lesson 2 on Unit 2. Lesson 4 on Unit 2. Dividing decimals. Before you divided the whole numbers. Now you'll divide what? The decimals. So you can analyze the cost of Louisiana Territory as in example 53. Ticket prices. The cost of 11 tickets to see Blue Man Group was $574.75. How much did each ticket cost? Okay, division now. You can use long division to divide a decimal by a whole number. Divide as with whole numbers, then line up the decimal points in the quotient and the dividend. Remember, together we have here in the division, I have something called what? Dividend. Do you remember the dividend? And the divisor and the quotient? Right? Okay. So, to find the cost of each ticket as described above, divide 574.75 divided by 11. So, I have here, as you see, 574.75 divide as you would with the whole numbers. Okay, the same as the whole numbers, I mean. Line up decimal points in quotient with decimal point in dividend. Can you see here the decimal point and the decimal point up the same? So when I say here 574.75 divided 11, so I have here I will say 5 divided 1, 5, 5 times 11, 5 times 1, 5, and 5 times 1, 5, 55. Then subtract as you know, as usual. So 7 minus 5, it gives me 2. 5 minus 5, it gives me 0. And then drop down, I drop down the 4. 24 divided 11, yeah, the nearest thing is 2. 2 times 11 equal 22. Okay, erase this to make it clear. 22. Okay, then subtract. Remember, it will give me 2. Drop the 7 as you see here. When I say 27 divided 11, the nearest thing is 2, but don't forget to line up as I said before, the decimal point here. Okay, this is the term that the decimal point goes up. Okay, so I have here okay, can you see the 7 when it comes down? Okay, so I have here 27 divided 11. When I say 27 divided 11, here the 7 comes down. Don't forget to put the decimal point up as you see here. So 27 divided 11, it gives me also 2. Yeah, 2 times 11, 22 also, right? 27 minus 22, it gives me 5, right? Okay, I need this. Okay, it gives me 5. So 5, and I have by chance here, I want the marker. Okay, so I have here by chance the 5. Okay, this last 5, it comes down. So 55 divided 11 gives me 5. 5 times 11, 55, and 0 after subtraction. So stop dividing when you get 0 remainder. Okay, remember this well? Okay, so each ticket here cost $52.25. It's easy like the division, the long division. To check the reasonableness of a quotient, use compatible numbers. Compatible numbers are numbers that make a calculation easier. Okay, you can also check your answer by multiplying the quotient and the divisor to see if it's equal to the dividend or not. When I say here 52.25 times 11, it will give you the same here answer. So you checked your answer is right. Here I have 11, round divisor to place of leading digit. So 11 leading digit is 10, and I have 574.75. What's the leading here? Yes, it's 570. Okay, what does it mean leading digit? He round dividend to the nearest multiple of 10. This is the leading one. So 570 divided 10 is 57. So my here the quotient is in example 1 is what is reasonable, right? So okay, my dear students, it's easy. Here I want you to write on your notebook, don't forget. This one. Okay. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so I'd like you to write this on your notebook. Dividing by decimal words. When you divide by decimal, multiply both the divisor and the dividend by a power of 10. That will make the divisor as a whole number. Here, as we see, I have here 8.75 divided 12.5. So, yeah, I should do what the divisor. This is very important to note. Please write it down, as I want this to be remembered well. The divisor, do you know the divisor? This one, 12.15. I can't divide something by the decimal here. The divisor can't be with decimal points. It can't be with decimal points. And I have here just one decimal point. So I will multiply it by 10. I will multiply it by 10. So 12.5 times 10, it gives you what? 125. Just multiply this side? No, multiply both sides. So I have here, my dear students, 12.5 times 10 gives me 125. 8.75 times 10. So I will move here. Yes, excellent. I will move here 87.5. So the 7 will comes here one decimal place. Okay? Okay, again, I want to show you by your eyes in a very nice way. So 87.5 times, we have taken this before, times 10 gives me what, my dear students? Do you remember? Who can say? So I multiply. So here it will, okay, 80, not 87.5. I have here 8. Okay, want the eraser? This is my eraser. Okay, it's nice. 8 point. 8 point. Okay, want this? 8 point. Yes, thanks. 8.75. Okay, where's the right? Yes, I want the marker. Yes, this one. 8.75 times 10. What should I do? 8.75. What should I do? The decimal point goes here, right? So it will be 87.5. Okay? Okay. So I can't leave the divisor with decimal point. Don't forget. Okay? Okay. Let's see another examples. Dividing decimals, I have here 3.804 divided 3.17. Okay, good example. I have here, what should I do? 3.17, I should here get rid of the decimals. So I have how many decimal places? 2. So I'm going to multiply by 100. Multiply by 100 the both sides. So both sides by 100. 317, 3.17 will be 317. And when I say here the 3.804, it will be what? It will move 2 decimal places, so it will be 380.4. Right. So this will be the answer, 380.4 divided 317. So, and then do your division, the long division. Let's do it. Okay, we can move to the other one now. This number B. I have 1.6, 8.0. Okay, 1.6, what should I do? Multiply by 10. So here 1.6 will be 16 and 8.0 will be 80, right? So 80 divided 16, 8 divide 1. Yeah, here 8 divide 1. I say here, I will say 5 times 6 will give 5 times 16 will give me the right answer, 80. So the answer here is 5. Okay. Is it easy now? I think it's easy now. Okay, for the word problem, a collector's card, you buy a pack of 8 collector's card for $2.15. Use a verbal model to find the price of each card. Round to the nearest cent. Okay, step 1, price of one card equal. Okay, I have here price of one card. price of package divided number of cards in package. Let's see, divide 2 point, here I have 2.15 divided by 8. So 2.15 divided by 8, what should I do? 21 divide, okay, 2 divided 8, can it be? No, so I will write 0. Okay, then I have here decimal point, put it. I have here 21 divided 8. Okay, the nearest thing is 2. 2 times 8, 16. Subtract. So 21 minus 16 gives me 5. And then I drop the other 5 here. As you see, drop the 5. 55 divided 8.